and welcome to the official YouTube channel of AshEka Financial Planners. I am Sandeep, your personal financial planner, and I regularly upload videos on personal finance, and I try to make personal finance very easy to understand and implement for you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I recommend you subscribe right away and also hit the bell icon so that you are intimated every time I upload a new video. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the tax deadlines that are approaching. The very first one, of course, is the investments that you can make in Section 80C. Typically, March 31st is the last date of any financial year for you to invest in 80C instruments. But this year, due to the COVID-19 pandemic, the government has extended that. Initially, they extended the deadline to June 30th, and now they have extended the deadline to July 31st. The second deadline that you have to keep in mind is the tax filing deadline for this year. Typically, the tax filing deadline is July 31st of the year, and most often it's extended by another month to August 31st. But this year, considering the situation all around the world, the government has in fact extended the deadline to November 30th of 2020. So for the financial year 2019 to 2020, the deadline would be November 30th, 2020. The third deadline that you would have to keep in mind is the tax filing deadline for the previous financial year. For the financial year 2018 to 2019, the deadline for filing returns without penalties was August 31st of last year, that is 2019. You had time until March 31st of this year, 2020, to file the returns by paying some penalty if it was applicable to you. However, the government has extended the deadline for that as well, and you can still file your returns and get your income tax records proper by filing the returns before July 31st, that is 31st of this month, 2020. The other deadline you would have to keep in mind is the capital gains deadline, the deadline by which you have to invest your gains in either a bond or in a new building. The dates vary for different people depending on the date of the gain, the date of the sale. So this time the government has extended the deadline for all of them to September 30th of 2020. The other deadline is the issue of TDS certificates and Form 16 by employers. The initial deadline was June 15th, but however, that has been extended to August 15th. So you could still issue TDS certificates and Form 16 to your employees by the 15th of August. Finally, another deadline that you have to keep in mind, if you haven't linked your PAN and Aadhaar, December 31st of this year was the last date by when you had to link your PAN with your Aadhaar, but that has been extended to 31st of March 2021. So remember, link your PAN to your Aadhaar by March of 2021. If you don't do that, then you will have some serious problems going forward when you have to quote PAN for certain financial transactions. So these are the top 6 deadlines that you have to keep in mind, the tax deadlines. If you would like advice on personal financial planning, where to invest, what kind of insurance to get, how do you do savings, how you can save taxes, how you can inculcate a habit of generating and accumulating wealth, how you can teach your family members to manage money, how you can plan for your retirement, well, we are the one-stop solution. We have various plans by which you can engage with us. We advise you on a one-time basis or on a regular basis. So please get in touch with us. Either you could comment on my comment section on this video and I will get back to you, or you could also send me an email, hello@asheka.in, hello@asheka.in. That's my email ID. Please drop in a mail and we could get started right away. Thank you for watching, and once again I remind you to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon. As always, I'm very grateful for your support. Please continue your patronage. Thank you, and this is Sandeep signing off.